Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code open, so start by locating the tab you want to close. If you see an asterisk or dot, save with Ctrl+S or CMD+S. This prevents losing edits. Once saved, focus the tab and press Ctrl+W on Windows or CMD+W on Mac OS to close it quickly. You can also right-click the tab and choose Close. Doing this keeps your workspace tidy and avoids accidental data loss. Now handle multiple files. If you want to close several at once, right-click one tab and pick Close Others or Close to the Right. This removes tabs quickly while leaving important ones. Alternatively, use the menu options like File Close Editor for a single grouping or Window Close Window to end the window session. For a fast full clear, press Ctrl+K then W. Make sure you respond to any save prompts so you don't lose work. Finish by confirming the file is closed and your layout looks correct. Make sure your side panels aren't hiding the tab bar. If something prevents closing, check whether an extension or file watcher has locked the file. Disabling the extension temporarily often reveals the cause. If issues persist, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and look at the console for errors to report. This diagnostic step helps you identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.